Hey everyone, welcome to week number 1 of Kevin's Corner. The first, the opening, the inaugural video. Get excited, a lot of insight coming your way. I'm a lead customer experience consultant at the Bio Agency in London, pretty much just a fancy title for designing exceptional experiences both online and offline. Just to give you a bit of background about me, I studied business at USC in Los Angeles, then I moved to London to receive my master's in digital asset and media management from King's College London, and then I completed a postgraduate certificate program in neuroscience, understanding human behavior at Harvard. So all of that led me to want to specialize in the science behind experience design, which is often grossly overlooked in our industry. So by combining neuroscience as well as behavioral economics, we can start to design experiences that don't just push creative bounds, but are actually designed around real human behavior. So the focus of Kev's Corner for the foreseeable future will be all around behavioral economics. We know that behavioral economics has become a bit of a buzzword within experience design, especially in recent years, but most people don't actually know what it is. At a top level, behavioral economics is the study of how we as humans make decisions and how those decisions can be influenced. So starting next week, I'm going to be releasing a short little video every Monday on LinkedIn that delves into the mysterious topic of behavioral economics. What it is, how we can use it as experience design practitioners, what on earth is a behavioral nudge, how can we turn behavioral nudges into designs, and I'll even be spotlighting some of the 200 odd behavioral nudges out there. So pardon my rather shrill American accent, and join me next week for some seriously sickening insight on all things behavioral.